today I'm going to be replacing the lower control arm on a 2003 Dodge Neon. And the reason I'm doing it is the bushings have worn out and it just bangs and pops every little bump I get. So I will show you how to do this, and I got the new part from 1A Auto. They're easy. You go online, order the part, and it ships right to your door. And I've always had good luck with their parts, never had to return any of them. The first part you want to move is this lower engine mount, because there's a bolt right there you need to get to. So this is an 18 millimeter. I've already loosened it. But for some reason this is really rusty. Now that that engine mount is out of the way, there's a 20 millimeter socket back here to get off, and it's pretty solid on there. So I will use this jack handle as a cheater bar, maybe. And right here we have a 24 millimeter bolt. I like to just loosen them up. So I got that loose. I've got this other bolt right here loose. And then I like to disconnect the sway bar. And if you come around here real quick. And the sway bar right here, I like to disconnect this first and then disconnect back here. There's two bolts. And then I work on I take the ball joint out. And we'll get to that point. Alright, I tried to disconnect this one part right up here. You can get vice grips or a channel lock and just hold on to that and then loosen it from the bottom. But what happened to mine is it broke, which is okay because you can get new parts for it, but it's kind of frustrating. So anyway, I guess I got that off easy. Alright, I've got the ball joint free. I've got the bolts here and here out, and now it's just a matter of wiggling it until it pops out. So there it is, and I want to show you something. On the ball joint, there's a little divot where the bolt goes. So you want to remove the whole entire bolt, which, where did I put it? Which is this. You want to pull that out so that ball joint will drop, because it's not going to even come out until you pull this whole nut out, nut and bolt out. So there it is, and there's what was so bad. So anyway, I'll show you how to put it on in just a bit. There are some things that I got to order that I have to order. I broke this part holds the sway bar in place, and I broke those bolts, so I have to drill out and order new ones. And I also, as you know, broke the links at the end there, so I have to order new parts for that as well. But I'll show you how to put it in, and then I'll order those parts and maybe show you how to put those in. Alright, that's the part from 1A Auto. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. This is what was causing a lot of the noise. And there's the new one. Anyway, quality parts. Alright, one thing to help to get this into place is I jacked up by the tie rod end. Just jack this up so I can slip the ball joint underneath. And I put this side in first, and then just kind of push this side in. So it matched up pretty easily that way. And then I'll bolt these in, and then I'll line up the ball joint to get it into its spot. And I'll show you when I get there. Alright, so I'm trying to line up the ball joint with where it goes. And so I have that jacked up just a bit, and then I just let it down slowly. And then once it's there, you just gotta kind of get the angle right so that goes straight up into the into its spot. So you just do that, then you tighten it on down. Whoops. All right, the next step is make sure you put your engine mount back on and get that tightened all down right here and right here. All right, this is where I reconnect my sway bar link, because I got everything else hooked up, and that would just be you put a bushing here and then the other one on top, and that's where that will link. But since I broke mine, I'll have to do that later. But you do that, then you well, actually at first I would probably do this part and get it hooked in up there, but again, I broke mine, so I have to drill that out and get new bolts up there. So connect that and then connect this part, or whichever way works for you, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Again, I got this part from 1A Auto. It fit perfectly, and I'll probably get the links and the bushings through 1A Auto as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe. I'll have more videos coming soon. Thanks.